Hi, as most of you know, I didn't buy too many advent calendars in 2020 and I thought most of them were tripe. Last year I bought a lot more, so there were more good products that I discovered from those advent calendars. This year there are fewer, so in this video I'm going to tell you what the best products were from the advent calendars that I did buy and what the worst products have been. So let's start off with the Pip Box Advent Calendar. I will link my unboxing and review videos to each of these so you can see. For me, the best product was the Memi Creative Control Eyeshadow Palette. It was a very warm, neutral, everyday palette that I've been really liking. Looks like this. Nice mix of mattes and shimmers there, and some of those are very everyday colors. And some give me a nice pop. I've been using eyeshadows more because, more than lipsticks because masks, people. I like emphasizing my eyes all the more when I'm wearing face masks. Another excellent, unexpectedly good, actually, product was the Code Beautiful Soft Smooth Liner. That I know, a lip pencil. Yeah, not very exciting you might think, but this one, absolutely brilliant, lovely neutral color. Looks like that. You will see a close-up swatch in my video in detail, and the shade is Nude Blush. It's very creamy, glides on beautifully, and I like wearing it alone, as a beautiful matte, long-wearing lip color. Now, the worst products for me are the Floss Lip Gloss, which is the exact kind of shade that makes my lips disappear altogether. Absolutely hate it. It's one of those traditional sticky glosses that acts as a hair magnet. Another product is from a brand called Upcircle Face Scrub. Yeah, I've been using all face scrubs as body scrubs. I don't physically exfoliate my face. The thing is, Siobhan O'Sullivan in her empties post told me that this scrub gave her a nice workout for her biceps. And when I read that, I thought, yeah, must be a bit tough to get the product out. Oh my God, I developed shoulder pain after that one time I used it, and I honestly thought I dislocated my shoulder. And the worst part, in order to do that, yeah, this is after 3 or 4 uses, moment of madness, press the tube to my stomach. Yeah, against my stomach to get the product out and to bend that tube backwards to get the product out against my abdomen. And then I ended up with abdominal pain. I was wondering, it took me a bit to connect the pain to this thing actually. I actually thought, what is it? Appendicitis, something else, hernia. Now the scrub itself isn't so bad, but the packaging in this aluminium tube, utter disaster there. I hate the packaging so much. Definitely the worst product in this advent calendar. Right, let's move to Space NK next. Best products. Kate Somerville Retinol and Vitamin C Moisturizer. I had no idea that you could combine retinol and vitamin C, and this one does so effectively. Doesn't, I thought my face would fall off, retinol and vitamin C. Not a good idea that. They tell you not to combine those two, yeah? And in the past, when I've used retinol and vitamin C together, my face has had mad peeling and, felt very sore. This one, very, very nice. The next day, my face actually looks better. I don't know if you can tell, over the last, yeah, I'm filming after a very long time, as I told you in my CW video, unboxing video. So, I feel that I look better than I did in the videos published before the CW box unboxing. What do you think? Yeah? I don't know if you should credit this one or something else, but the fact that I'm less stressed, happier. Anyway, really, really loved this. Now, another one, Byredo Slow Dance Hand Cream. As you can see, I'm trying to get every bit of love out of it. This is another aluminium tube, but it's a lot easier to get the product out. It alleviates stress so well, the smell, I highly recommend it. I had no idea that Byredo did such good hand creams. I am eager to discover a lot more from Byredo, which I hope to do in 2021. Now, the worst two from the Space NK Advent Calendar, I wouldn't call these the worst, actually. This one is definitely not a bad product. I'm even wearing a bit of it. It is a NARS Laguna bronzer. I like the Laguna bronzer, don't get me wrong. It's just that we've seen so much of the mini orgasm brush and the Laguna bronzer that I have to choose products I don't like from each advent calendar. To like, to dislike, yeah. So yeah, picking this one for the sake of it. NARS Laguna bronzer. Now another one, here I have a love-hate relationship. I adore the smell, I don't like the texture and what it does on my skin. Sol de Janeiro Rio Sunset Glow Oil Glow Motions. Now, it smells that is how I have been reducing my stress, and that is why I look much better, much happier, sound more enthusiastic. This one smells great. It's a body oil with shimmer. It looks god awful on my skin tone. Here is where I feel advent calendars must be a bit more inclusive. There are people of all manners of skin tones buying your advent calendar. I'm South Asian, so telling me that Space and K advent calendars are not for South Asian people, is that what it is? Because this looks awful on my skin tone. Don't exclude any group by adding products that don't suit a particular skin tone people. That's hopefully something that we will see changing in 2021. So not a fan of this. Love the smell. What I'm going to do is I'm going to keep this as a sniffer, when I'm stressed. Carry it around in my handbag when I'm stressed. Oh, nice. That's it. Yeah, until the smell goes away, and then I'll just throw it away after that. The next one, YesStyle. Oh my god, where do I even start? So, two favorites in here. One is the Isentry Hyaluronic Acid Water Essence. I have the matching cream of this. This is oil-free and it contains 8 different kinds of hyaluronic acid, and I love that beautiful glass bottle. Yeah, I love my Huda Labo, don't get me wrong. I don't use this alongside Huda Labo because Huda Labo is more of a, I wouldn't say toner, it's heavier than a toner. It's a serum, the premium one. This is an essence, it's kind of pre-ampoule. Yeah, either way, this one is equally beautifully plumping. It doesn't break me out at all, plumps my skin beautifully, prevents flaking with tretinoin. Very, 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 very nice. Will I repurchase? It's either this or Huda Labo. I can't pick which I like better. Maybe once I empty the bottle fully, I'll be able to judge, yeah? So let's wait until then. The next product that I really love is this one. I'm from Fig Cleansing Balm. I've had 2 uses of this, and I was quite surprised to find how well it emulsified with water. I mean, it wasn't, something that left a lot of residue. I expected something like this to leave a lot of residue, oily, greasy residue all over my skin. That's a bad idea because I'm very breakout prone and I also have oily skin. So I was quite surprised it didn't leave any residue, and it, went away quite well with water, rinsed off very nicely. So will I repurchase? I love the Face Shop Rice Water Light Cleansing Oil very, very much. So yeah, possibly not, but as a cleansing balm, as far as cleansing balms go, this one is really, really, really brilliant. Now the products that I don't really love from the Advent calendar, YesStyle, the one that I hate the most is not here because I got rid of it. I didn't even bother using it. The name itself is racist. It is the Raccoony Heart Patches. I dare say, the first language is not English. This is Korea we're talking about. And they probably didn't have anything bad in mind. Yeah, I'm not accusing anybody here. I think that what happened is that they meant, dark circles under the eye. That's possibly what they meant. So those were these heart-shaped patches that you applied on dry skin to hydrate. That was such a gimmick. I threw mine away. Now, the next product that I absolutely hate from this Advent calendar, which will be loved by most of you, I know, is the VDL Lumilayer Primer. Makes me look like Edward Cullen. Yeah, in the sunlight. Yeah, it makes me look like Edward Cullen does in the sunlight, out of it, yeah, in any lighting. Not a fan at all. Unfortunately, I went and used this 2 times. So that one goes into my donation box. Now, there is one more product from the YesStyle Advent calendar that needs to be mentioned. It is the Sulfur 3% Clean Gel by Wishtrend. It is a very lightweight gel that you apply when you're acneic, and it helps. I feel that it also helps prevent acne. But you know, I wouldn't recommend using it every day. It's a bit of a dry product. The problem is rotten eggs. Smells, reeks of rotten eggs. That's a problem. It's a very effective product. I just hate the smell. Lastly, CEW box. Oh my god, where do I start? I love pretty much every product in this. The ones with wheat I cannot use, obviously. Even so, you know, I'm not... They're not what I hate. It's just that they contain wheat, so I can't use them. Now, let's talk about the two that did not wow me at all. MZ Skin Hydra Bright Golden Under Eye Treatment Patches. Under Eye Treatment Patches. What is so wow about them? Boo! Yeah. The next one is the Takeoff Touchdown Face and Body Cleansing Wipes. Not a fan of wipes at all. Yeah, I suppose it's alright when you're camping or something, but then I'm not really an outdoorsy person. I mean, I take walks, and I mean, I do play badminton and stuff like that, and yeah, I do like sports. It's just that I'm not, you know, someone who's into camping and hiking and so on. You know, I get urticaria all the time anyway. I'll be itching away when other people are trying to have a good time under the stars. So, yeah, this one gets gifted. Now, the products that I love, where do I even start? Is it the Estee Lauder Advanced Night Repair Under Eye Cream? Is it the Floral Street Body Cream, which smells so amazing? Is it the Charlotte Tilbury Pillow Talk palette that I never thought I'd like, but is such a beautiful everyday neutral palette with, you know, an option to add some glittery oomph? Is it the organic... Nothing broke. Is it the Organic Pharmacy's Retinol Night Serum, which I absolutely love? Very lightweight retinol. I can't decide for the life of me which my favorite product is from the CEW box. So those are the products that I've been loving from my 2020 Beauty Advent calendars, and the ones that I've not really been blown away by. Which are the products that you've absolutely loved from your Advent calendars? Which are the ones that you've hated? Which are the ones that you've been very, you know, on the fence about? Do tell me all of that in the comments below. So that's all from me for today. Thank you for watching this video. Please do give me a thumbs up. Please do hit the subscribe button. Please do ring the notifications bell. I'll speak to you soon.